I wanted to do a video of a DIY that I just did just right now. So this screen, as you guys see right here, this the screen protector needed replaced. The dog was the one that ripped on it. So what I did is I went to Lowe's and I got for $8.68. It is a screen replacement kit. It comes with, it includes, it's the 36 by 84, and it includes the screen, the spline tool, and spline. It's pretty simple, as you can tell. Step number one, sorry, our daughter put her hand right there in front. Number one is you roll out the screen on top of your actual screen frame, and then you get your spline and you put it around. So right here, as you guys can tell, right here's where the spline goes. This is the screen. Don't touch that, please, Brendan. And you overlap it. I overlapped it all the way up to over here, like outside. And I put the spline. I started actually in mine. I started here on the holders. As I go closer, sorry. I started there, went around, all the way around, and then I stopped over here. And then I started again on this side, and then I stopped on this side. It literally took me probably 10 minutes. As soon as it did, and then I have all this left over. This is the spline. This way it came with the spline. It came with the tool, the spline tool, and it came with all this screen that I still have left over. So the total of, it's a 1 inch spline, 36 inches by 84, and then the spline tool. And for the 25 feet is what you get of spline. So this was my DIY for today. I hope you enjoy it. I know we will. So I keep the window open, and we will talk to you guys later.
Bye.
There are kids eating ice cream right now.
Don't forget to comment.